Hello there, welcome back to Mark on Motoring. So today we're looking at locking wheel nuts. So chances are at some point you've been to the garage or you've had new tyres and they've put the locking wheel bolts back on with the impact driver. Now if, like on this 24-year-old locking wheel nut, the key may as well have been made out of cheese, chances are it's no longer any use. So how do you get those locking wheel bolts out? Stick around, we'll show you how. To show this is not a fluke, we're going to go through it again on another wheel, but this time we're going to talk through step by step what's going on. So we've taken an appropriate size socket. It's got to be a 12.1, just big enough to go around the edge of the nut. We've then got a extension bar, which we're using between the socket and this small lump hammer. So you really need to give it a good crack on there, because the last thing you want is for it to slip off when you're trying to undo it. We've then attached to our extension bar a large breaker bar, much better than using power tools. You can really get more feel for it. Something else to note, we've also pre-soaked the bolt using a penetrating oil just to help loosen things up a little bit before we start to undo that. So as you can see, we've already broke it free, so now it's just a case of continuing to undo the bolt. So that bolt is now stuck in the socket, so all we've done, we've put the socket in the vise, screwdriver and a hammer, and you can tap that straight out, and the socket is undamaged, ready to go again. Are you perhaps struggling with a similar issue yourself? If you need any more information, drop me a comment below and I'll try and get back to you. Thanks again for